Here I'm at bunker number 91. This is in front of the pump track that mountain bikers use, where they don't have to use their pedals. Now I'm going to see if I can get into bunker number 91. I've got the doors open. Climb over this little tree here. It's pretty rusted. I must use this to store tools and things. See some boards down here. This one's also very loud because there's not hardly anything in here. That goes to the vent on the outside. More dirt dauber's nests. Apparently birds love to build nests in these doors. There's a little wasp nest too. Everything looks unoccupied though. Looks like they've got a water storage tank up on top of this one. That's interesting. You never know what you're going to find at Enterprise South.